Welcome to Step 2 Maths. In this section, we are going to discuss about how a given equation is reducible to a linear equation in two variables. Consider these two equations. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 50 and 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Here two equations are given. They have two variables x and y, and the highest power of these variables are 1. That means these two equations are linear equations. How we can solve these linear equations? For that, first we have to rearrange these given equations in the general form of a linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this type of problems, we have to perform some substitutions. This equation we can label as 1 and this is equation number 2. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. Okay, we make the substitution. Substitute 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. We make a substitution and this substitution is applied on both the given equations. 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. So the equation 1 become, we can write it as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 50. 2 upon x we can write as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 upon y is minus 3 into 1 upon y, and we make the substitution as 1 upon x is equal to m. So we can write this equation as 2 1 upon x is m, 2m minus 3 1 upon y is n, 3n equal to 50. This we can label as equation number 3. In the same way, we can rearrange the equation 2. 8 upon x, that we can write it as 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y equal to 77. If we make the substitution 1 upon x is equal to m, this equation become 8m plus 5. 1 upon y is n. 5n is equal to 77. This equation we can label as equation number 4. Now consider that equation 3, 2m minus 3n is equal to 15, and the equation number 4 is 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Now we get the two equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Now we can solve these two simultaneous equation using method 1 or method 2. Consider equation number 3. 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. If we multiply this equation number 3 throughout by 4, 3 into 4, what we will get? 8m minus 4 into 3, 12n is equal to 15 into 4. 15 into 4 is 60. This we can label as equation number 5. Now consider equation number 5 and equation number 4. Equation 5 is 8m minus 12n is equal to 60. Equation number 5. Equation 4 minus equation 5. 8m minus 8m. 8m minus 8m is cancelled, and plus 5n minus 12n. It's become 17. plus 17n is equal to 77 minus 60 is 70. 17n is equal to 17. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 17 upon 7 equal to 1. We get the value of variable n equal to 1. Now find the value of variable m. For that, substitute in equation 4. 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. n equal to 1. The equation 4 become 8m plus 5 into 1 equal to 77. Therefore, 8m plus 5 is equal to 77. Therefore, 8m equal to 77 minus 5. 77 minus 5 is 72. 8m is equal to 72. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 72 upon 8. 72 upon 8 is 9. Here we get the value of variable n equal to 1 and m equal to 9. We substitute m is equal to 1 upon x. That is 1 upon x is equal to what? 9, and n is 1 upon y, that is equal to 1. 1 upon x is equal to 9. That implies x is equal to 1 upon 9, and similarly 1 upon y is equal to 1, that implies y is equal to 1. So, the solution of these two equations are x is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. 1 upon 9 and 1. Here the given equations are not in standard form of linear equation. For that, to convert it into standard form, we make some substitution. Here we take 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n, and make the substitution. We get simultaneous equation in standard form, and we solve. We get the value of m and n, and substitute the value of m is 1 upon x and n is 1 upon y. We get the value of x and y. The given equation is reduced in the form of a linear equation, and then solve the two equations. Consider these two equations. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 37 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. The two given equations. Solve these two equations. How we can solve this? For that, first we have to reduce these equations in the general form of linear equation. Ax plus by is equal to c. How we can reduce these two equations? For that, we make some substitutions. Consider the first equation. The first given equation we can label as 1, equation number 1, and the next is equation number 2. Consider equation number 1, 27 upon x minus 2. We can write this equation as 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 equal to 85. In the same way, this equation we can rewrite as 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 equal to 89. Now, we make the substitution 1 upon x minus 2. 1 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon y plus 3. Substitute 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 equal to n. Then how we can rearrange these two equations? 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 is m, that is 27m plus 31, 1 upon y plus 3 is n, 31 n is equal to 85. In the same way, this second equation 31 m plus 27, 1 upon y plus 3 is n, 27 n is equal to 89. We can label it as equation number 3 and equation number 4. We make the substitution 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Now the given equations are reducible in the form of 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Now these two equations are in standard form of a linear equation. Now we can solve this equation. Consider this equation 3 and 4. Is there any speciality for these two equations? Yes. The coefficients of m and n are interchangeable in these two equations. Coefficient of m on equation 3 is coefficient of n on equation 4. We already discussed how to solve this type of equations whose coefficients are interchangeable. We can add these two equations and we can subtract these two equations, then we get two simplified equations. First, add equation 3 plus equation 4. What we will get? 27m plus 31m. 58m plus 31n plus 27n. 58n is equal to 174. 58m plus 58n is equal to 174. This we can label as equation number 5. If we divide this equation number 5 throughout by 58, what we will get? 58m upon 58. m plus 58n upon 58 is n. 174 upon 58 is equal to 3. This we can label as equation number 6. We get the simplified equation m plus n is equal to 3. After adding these two equations, we get one simplified equation m plus n is equal to 3. If we subtract these two equations, equation 4 minus equation 3, 31m minus 27m, 4m, 27n minus 31 minus 4n is equal to 89 minus 85, 4. Equation number 7. If we divide equation number 7 throughout by 4, what we will get? m minus n is equal to 1. Equation number 8. m plus n is equal to 3, equation number 6, and m minus n is equal to 1, equation number 8. Now add this equation 6 and 8. M plus n is equal to 3 and m minus n is equal to 1. What we will get? If we add these two equations, 2m is equal to 4 Therefore, m is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. We get the value of m is equal to 2. If we substitute the value of m in this equation, 2 plus n is equal to 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Now we get the values of variables m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. But we make the substitution as 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m. So this is equal to 2 and 1 upon x y plus 3 is equal to n. N is equal to 1. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. We cross multiply. X minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 upon 2 equal to 5 upon 2. The value of x is equal to 5 upon 2. In the same way, we can find the value of y. This implies x is equal to 5 upon 2. One upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, if we cross multiply, y plus 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, y equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. So we can write the solution of this equation x y equal to 5 upon 2 and minus 2. Here the given equations are not in the standard form of linear equation. So we make some substitutions. Here 1 upon x minus 2 is m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n, and we rearrange the given two equations. Here the equations has another speciality, that the coefficients are interchangeable. So after adding equation we get one simplified equation, and when we subtract we get another simplified equation. Using these two equations we find out the value of m and n, and again substitute in the values of m and n, we get the value of x and y. Consider these two equations. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and the second equation is 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. How we can solve these two equations? For that, first we have to reduce these equations in the form of linear equations. For that we make some substitution. In what way we can make the substitutions? Substitute 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m. 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m. This term is equal to another variable, and the second one 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Now how we can rearrange the two given equations after this substitution? 1 upon 3x plus y is m. So this is m plus 1 upon 3x minus y is n. m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4, and this equation m upon 2, 1 upon 3x plus y is m. So it is m upon 2 minus n upon 2 is equal to 1 minus 8. If we multiply this equation throughout by 2, what we will get? M minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. The first equation, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4, and second one is m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4. M minus n equal to minus 1 upon 4. If we add these two equations, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4 and m minus n is equal to minus 1 upon 4, what we will get? 2m, m plus m is 2m, plus n minus n get cancelled, that is equal to 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. 2m equal to, that implies 2m equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, the value of, 1 upon 2. Therefore, the value of m is 1 upon 4. We get the value of m is 1 upon 4. So, m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4. If we substitute m equal to 1 upon 4, we will get 1 upon 4 plus n equal to 3 upon 4. Therefore, n equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 2. The value of m is equal to 1 upon 4 and n equal to 1 upon 2. We get the values of variables m and n. And we make the substitution as 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. So, substitute the values of m and n. What we will get? 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m. M is 1 upon 4. And 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. N is 1 upon 2. So, 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 upon 4. Therefore, we can write it as 3x plus y is equal to 4. Take the reciprocal. And 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 3x minus y equal to 2. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. 3x plus y equal to 4. 3x minus y is equal to 2. If we add these two equations, what we will get? 3x plus 3x, 6x plus y minus y get cancelled is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. If we substitute the value of x in this equation 3x plus y is equal to 4, x is equal to 1, what we will get? 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, the solution of this equation x, y is equal to 1, 1. Here 1 upon 3x plus y equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. That the substitution we make, and then these equations are rearranged as m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4 and m upon 2 minus n upon 2 is equal to 1 upon minus 1 upon 8. We get two equations. Solving that two equations, we get the value of m and n. And here m and n are, m is 1 upon 3x plus y. So we substitute that value. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to the value of m, 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 3x minus y, that is n. N is 1 upon 2. We get two equations, and after solving that we get the value of x and y. In this way we can reduce a given equation into form of linear equations and solve that equations. Thank you.